Hey guys, Real Fenner here, and today this is the River Drive number 2 railroad crossing in Great Falls, Montana. About a year ago I did a video on this cantilever. It used to be identical to that one right there, but a huge semi truck brought the cantilever part down, and only that part was remaining. And then a few days after that, they replaced it with this one. They replaced the entire cantilever. So yeah. So starting off with this one, it has a Harmon base. There's the emergency information. The dot number is 398-767P. Then you have Harmon 12 by 24 inch lights. And cantilever lights are some more Harmon 12 by 24 inch lights. It wasn't even a year before that sun visor was knocked down. So yeah, there's the relay case right there. I'm gonna wait for traffic. Just trying to find. It's a red light anyway. That should be good. The second cantilever has a Harmon base. There's the information, and it has safe tram 12 by 20 inch lights, and a Type 2 electronic bell, and some more safe tram 12 by 20 inch lights for the cantilever. So down that way, facing west, is CHS Grain Elevator, and also known as just a dead end. And down east is a plant and Montrum Air Force Base. Montrum Air Force Base is down there, and there's a plant down there. And yeah, one thing I want to mention here, I don't understand why there is double cantilever lights, since it's a two-lane road. There's the one lanes, and there's the other, and the one in the middle is like some kind of, I'm not sure what it is, but I don't know why they have to have these kind of cantilevers, but yeah. So yeah, this is the River Drive railroad crossing number 2. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I will see you down the line.